So this is a second part of a video about functional programming about answering an exam question. So the second part of the question was this one, calculating the results of making the function calls that are listed in this table below with these lists. And I've got the lists here, lists A, B, and C. And we've got one function that we've been given called square. So square is x gets x times x. So the first one we're doing is map. So map is where we take each individual value and we do something to that value. And in this case, we're going to apply it to square. So if we send 1 to square, it's 1 times 1. So it is 1. And then we send 3. So it's 3 times 3. It's 9. And we send 5. It's 5 times 5, which is 25. And that's going to be our result. So our result in our usual brackets for a list is 1, 9, and 25. And that applied the map square function to the list A. So the next one we're going to do is filter. So we've got filter and it's less than 10 and we're applying it to list B. So list B, we're just looking for values that are less than 10. So these are the values in list B that are less than 10. So again, we can put our brackets in and our answer is 1 and 5 because they're the only values that are less than 10. So then the last one here is fold. So fold, and in this case, the operation is going to be plus because we've got a plus in the brackets. We've got a naught here, which stands for the accumulator. So that's the starting value for the accumulator, and we're applying it to list C. So here's list C, and we're going to add. So our accumulator is 0. So the first value is 9. So we're going to add 9 to the accumulator. We'll get 9. Then we're going to add 7. So 7. So we arrive at 16. And then we've got 2. So we add 2. We arrive at 18. So our accumulator value has gone up to 18. And the answer, that is the answer, is 18. So we've accumulated the value of 18. So the fold function takes the numbers and applies an operation to them that results in one result at the end, so one number at the end. So this shows us the operation. The number after it shows us the starting value for the accumulator, so that could be more than naught. It doesn't have to start at naught, it just does in this case. And the letter or the identifier shows us which list we're going to use. So that's the fold function. So we've got 3 marks for this. We did the map, we did the filter, and we did the fold.